Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And, we rant at Microsoft for different things, and there are things that honestly are annoying for everybody. But one of them that has been creeping up slowly, and it started pretty much in Windows 10, where suggestions of apps started popping up and you have to turn it off. Or, you install Windows and it comes with things like, crappy games, and you just wonder why is that. For a long time, you installed Windows, you had Windows, and that was it. And you had what came with Windows, which was the basics of the operating system. On Windows 10, they started giving us, you have Candy Crush and all sorts of weird things like that people don't necessarily want on their PC, pre-installed, or if not pre-installed, the icon's there. You just have to click on it for it to install. That's called advertising. And within Windows itself also, in the settings and the operating system, there's a few on-off switches that I always suggest because there were suggestions of apps and things that you should get. Now, a Twitter user has found out, he's a Windows insider, Twitter user, Florian, Flobo09, has kind of found that this is something that might be in the File Explorer. So here's a screen capture of the File Explorer he's got. And look at that. While you're searching for files, here, write with confidence across documents, email, and the web with advanced writing suggestions from Microsoft Editor. Learn more. So it's for Microsoft software, but in products, but still. This is an ad, and this is nonsense. Microsoft needs to stop doing that. An operating system is not an ad machine. I think it actually lowers the value of Windows if you start doing this. I don't know what they don't understand in, pushing too far for certain services and products is also a problem. I understand that they want to promote their own stuff, but come on, guys. Please don't do this. The more you do this, the more you annoy users, more than anything else. So apparently this is a screen capture from the File Explorer within Windows. Hopefully there will be a switch at least to turn it off, but once again, I don't agree, and this is crazy. Why is Microsoft going that way? So you can follow this Twitter user if you want, Florian at Flobo09, if you want to see stuff. He's got some interesting stuff as he goes through the Windows builds. So check it out, and you can, of course, go on Twitter and follow this guy. And let's hope that this is not going to happen, because this is totally nuts. No ads in Windows, please. Microsoft. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.